Hello. Warm and hearty greetings to everyone. I, Anubhuti Tiwari from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh, is here before you to express my views on the topic 75 years of Indian Constitution. A constitution is a fundamental principle according to which a country is governed. Indian Constitution, which was framed against the backdrop of the horrendous violence that the partition unleashed on the subcontinent. And yet, it survived as a living document. And here we are, celebrating 75 years of this living legacy. 75 years of the lengthiest constitution of the world. 75 years of the constitution of the world's largest democracy. इतनी दूर आना इतना आसान नहीं है. कुछ ऐसा ही था हमारे संविधान का सफर. Mocked and criticized by many constitutional experts, and yet it survived long enough to create a legacy which will be remembered forever in history. The journey of 75 years was of rights, duties, and progress. I would like to put forward two aspects. First, today we hear debates about fundamental rights versus fundamental duties. I would like to say that fundamental rights and fundamental duties are not against each other. Instead, they are with each other, they complement each other. क्योंकि अगर हम सब अपने कर्तव्य सही से निभाएंगे, तो किसी को भी अपने अधिकार की दरकार लगाने कहीं नहीं जाना पड़ेगा. Second, my question is, भारत विकसित कब बनेगा? भारत विश्व गुरु कब बनेगा? भारत सर्वश्रेष्ठ कब बनेगा? The answer is, if we all behave as responsible citizens, where we abide by the rules and regulations of the land, where we respect our constitution, where we adhere to our fundamental duties, where we are aware of our fundamental rights, and where we always uphold the unity and integrity of our nation, तब हम अपना तसव्वुर पूरा होते देखेंगे. भारत को विकसित होता देखेंगे, भारत को विश्व गुरु बनता देखेंगे, भारत को सर्वश्रेष्ठ होता देखेंगे. और ये किसी एक की नहीं, हम सब की, इस पूरे देश की जिम्मेदारी है. I would like to conclude by saying Indian Constitution is a unique document where many other constitutions have perished with the paper they were first written on. जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा, भारत का सम्मान रहेगा. संविधान की गौरव गाथा का गूंजता ऐलान रहेगा, गूंजता ऐलान रहेगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.